Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday, and actually this week we don't actually have like some serious high impact news. So today I just decided that I can just start with Bitcoin and see what we can get. So I'll just make this video very short because yesterday I just made a very nice long weekly analysis. You can just go back and try to check that. And if you are new here, guys, I saw that almost 30% of people who are watching my videos, they're not subscribed. So please, guys, please just smash the subscribe button. You're not losing anything by doing that. And if you don't want to miss some very nice updates, you can also smash the notification button. Without wasting any time, let's go straight to this Bitcoin and see what's really happening. It's like been actually going down for now. Let's see if maybe we can get some very nice structure on a bigger time frame. This is a daily time frame. I think on Bitcoin this will be much better, but if just to see the bigger picture. So what's really happening here is, since the market actually moved away from that downtrend, you saw that actually last year the market was like seriously downtrending. You can see that the market was actually pushing to the downside, right? But since then the market tried slowly to recover. You can see, yes, we are still actually on a very beginning stage of the market pushing up, but it's better than nothing, because now we can easily see that the market is trying to push the upside. So if we go closer there, you can easily see that, yes, even though the market is trying to give us some sort of a sell, but we easily see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. Around this area, you can see that there is actually a sort of a support area. Why? You can see that actually the market respected that area several times, even though it's not exactly around the same as the market actually sometimes creates this fake breakout, but exactly around this zone, you can see that the market is been playing around that. So from here, obviously, for those who trade Bitcoin or those who invest in Bitcoin, obviously the market might be pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. You can see that the way we analyze this, it makes our job very simple. But since today is Monday, we're not going to force to trade anything. We're just going to relax. And if maybe we get an opportunity, is then that maybe we can take that opportunity. And actually today, this time, I was planning not to do actually this analysis because actually I have a fresh video that I did yesterday. But anyways, I thought, you know what, let me just update my people because I love you guys. I seriously, and I also love my job actually. So it's not actually a job, because I just love doing this every day. So what's really happening here is we are on EURUSD. The market is doing what? The market actually was pushing to the upside. Guess what? The market broke out of that trend. The market was pushing to the upside, it's fine, but the market broke out. You can see that we had some serious levels around this area where we were going to call them actually a support area. Let me just use a proper line here. You can see the market broke out of that. Actually, that confirmed with us that, you know what, I'm breaking out. So now the market is doing what? The market is going to the lower side. So now it seems like the market is trying to do what? To actually give us a proper retest. So I think we'll be waiting actually for the market to touch this area, or maybe this one. So I think maybe you can't see very nice on a bigger time frame. Let me go on 1 hour just to see this area that I have pointed there. Yeah, now I hope you can see that. You can see that this area actually it's something. So if the market touches this area, we'll be ready to have a very nice sell around that area if the market is going to respect that. But if not, maybe the market will be trying to push to the upside. If it doesn't really respect this one, maybe the market will come and respect this zone or this resistance. Do you see that? If you like that, please don't forget to smash the like, guys. The more you like, the more you subscribe, the channel is growing very nice, and the more I'm going to feed you. I'm going to actually give you enough content. And for those who actually want to learn some exclusive stuff, we have some membership only here on YouTube. You can check that if you want to learn, by the way, and it's very cheap. You can choose gold, silver, and actually get the nice content about the market. So let's go on USDJPY. What's really happening? The market is actually pushing very nice uptrend there. We can easily see that the market is pushing to the upside. Actually, we did get this one, but I think we got out very early, but it seems like it's still going to push up. But where we are, there's nothing we can do. The market already just pushed, guys. The market already pushed. The dollar is getting stronger. The dollar is getting stronger and stronger. So we just actually waiting for the market to bounce back so that we can actually have another buy, or maybe the market will give us another structure along the way, maybe then we can actually take that. But for now, I think the market already is a bit far. Actually, we can't just jump on the market where it is. So now we are actually on US oil. If those who trade US oil, give me 5 in the on the comment section there. If maybe you trade oil, there's very few people who trade oil, by the way. Most people, they trade currency pairs and the likes of NASDAQ. So what's really happening on US oil? We can easily see that the market is pushing down. We are actually on a downtrend, and I've been drawing this thing for quite some time, and it shows that actually if you follow the trend, you don't actually draw these lines every day. It just saves your time, because if you check since September last year, or even back there, the market has been pushing lower. So once you've drawn this, you just adjust here and there. You just adjust here and there, and your job is to do what? Is just to wait for the market to come around that level. Then you smash, you see. So yeah. Now let's see if we go closer there, we see that the market gave us another very nice structure, continuing with that sell or with a downtrend. You can see the market created these structures where actually it shows us that the market is still continuing with the downtrend, and we have a very nice resistance line. That's why actually we had a sell pending order, which is actually in profit. So I'm still expecting the market to reach around 64 there, around 64, which is around this area. So I'm expecting that. If the market doesn't really reach that, it's also fine, because around here the market can bounce back very quick. It's a support area, then the market can just run away. You can see this candlestick there. The market just touched this area very quick. The market was going up again, you see. So today, actually, for those who just like to trade non-stop, it's a day where you just keep yourself up to date, watch the news, understand what's really happening, and mostly some other things. Information is just out there, and we just actually mostly we don't actually know how to use it. But if you just watch maybe news for maybe 30 minutes, sometimes they talk about stuff like that. There is Yahoo, there is Bloomberg, there is Reuters. They all talk about the market. They talk about stuff that we don't actually even know. And if you understand that, mostly you will see when the market is starting to react good or badly. We are on gold. Gold is still respecting our structure. I like this structure very much, because we are actually on an uptrend, which means the market is actually doing what? The market is pushing up. And what I like is we've been this line has been here for quite some time now, so we don't just go back, try to draw another one. So, and where we are here, actually, if you go back and watch my weekly analysis, you will see that the market was playing around this area. Yesterday, the market was here. Friday, sorry, the market was around here. Now the market is pushing up, and that actually is something that I think it's obvious, because as we are actually on an uptrend, we had something like this, and I'm still holding those trades. I'm expecting a bit of a push here, and then the market, then maybe we might actually get something when the market reaches that. But even if it doesn't really reach there, we can actually start to lock or reduce the stop losses, because we don't really want to lose much. But I think it's obvious. But where we are now, because we are actually on a 4 hours time frame, I don't think it's a good time for us to just jump on that. We're already in the market. So you can just wait for another maybe retest, then maybe the market will be pushing. You can get when it's around the support area, because it's where mostly the market will be actually pushed, like seriously aggressive. You can see every time the market touched this area, pushed up. Even here we expect the same thing, you see. So I hope maybe you understand. So let's push to the next one. Yeah, the time is getting, I thought maybe this video was going to be very short, but let me try to be as fast as possible. So US30, what's really happening? Still on that downtrend. I've been explaining about this downtrend. The market has been respecting that, and I like that because the market is respecting that resistance. So where we are now, we are actually on a structure that we call actually a ranging move. The market is actually ranging, and where we are now is we are in between this resistance and support, and mostly we can't do anything because we are actually on a downtrend. So it means we can wait for the market to touch our resistance before we think about selling, right? Or maybe someone can say, Kenzo, I see something there, let's go on 1 hour. I also see something like, maybe I don't know if maybe this will make sense. I don't think it will. A sort of a resistance. I don't think it makes sense, but yeah, I don't think that will make sense. I think we can just stick to this ranging move here, then we can get the market when it's around that area. Since this week we don't actually have enough economic news, we're going to depend on technical analysis, and you have to know that. So yeah, we just have to wait for the market to give us a push, then we can say, okay, we're gonna jump on a sell as we are actually on a downtrend, or let's wait for the market to break this support, then we can say, okay, let's jump on a sell as the market is no longer under this consolidation. So let's push to the one and only NASDAQ. Sheesh, we missed this one. Actually, we missed this one. I like the structure on an uptrend. Very nice structure there. The market is pushing up very nice. So you can easily see that, yes, the market is pushing up very nice. Let's see. The market is pushing up very nice. You can see. So around this area, we have a resistance, but we know that actually the market is doing what? The market is pushing up. I don't know why we missed this one. I think it was already late. Around the market was around to close, I think. Yeah, I think the market was about to close, because when the market was here, it was around 11 o'clock, like around midnight. So our brokers were already closed. So when you wake up already, you get the market going up. So, but the structure thing is quite straightforward. Let me just maybe use a 2 hours time frame, and I just want to show you that. So this resistance doesn't really matter much because I think the market is just trying to show us that I'm moving like this. You see, the market can create something like that, pushing to the upside. And I also see that, oh, maybe when we are reaching this area, we can get the market around this area when it pushes up, or maybe when it comes down around the support area, we can get the market around that area. I hope everything's clear. Let's see what's really happening on the other ones. Oh, it's German 30. We did sell this one, obviously. It's going in profit. You can see I sent the signal early in the morning. Let's check France 40. Oh, this one is S&P. France 40. Oh, this is DXY. I want France 40. Where are you? France 40, where are you, man? Oh, this is France 40. So on France 40 also, we have a very nice sell. I think now it's going in a very nice profit. So I'm expecting why maybe we took a sell. You can easily see that around this area, we have some very nice resistant area. That's why I actually sent a sell pending order. I'm expecting the market to do what? To respect that and push to the lower side. So thank you very much. I don't really want to make this video very long, and around 12 I think we're gonna have some load shedding. So that's why I said, you know what, let me just do these videos for you, or this analysis for you. And please smash the subscribe button, like with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.